Hey guys, welcome to our channel Code is Arcade. This is Ashank David, and in today's video, we are going to talk about how we can swap two numbers without using a third variable. So basically, two numbers they will be storing in two variables, and we usually do it by using a third variable, right? So in this case, we will be doing that without using the third variable. So let's start writing the program here. I'm gonna just show you. So in this case, I'm gonna use C++ this time, and I'm gonna say IOStream, okay, and using namespace std, right? And then after this, I'm gonna say int main, and inside this int main, return zero will be there, of course. Now before this, usually if you have taken two variables, a equals to, let's say a equals to 10, and I have taken b equals to 20, okay. And then generally what you do is you use a temp variable, right? So how you will do is basically you say temp equals to a, then you say a equals to b, and then you say b equals to temp. So this is the logic that you use using the third variable. Here the third variable is basically getting used for the swapping of these two numbers, right? And the thing is that this is not the effective way of swapping if you're using an extra memory in this case. So the thing is that there is one trick that you can use in order to swap these two variables without using a third variables, right? So if I want to do that, I can just write here cout. I can say here before swap, I can say before swap, and then here I can say I'll just print a, and I'll say here b equals, I'm gonna say here as b, right? And here I'm gonna say and then, so it is gonna print before swap, and the same thing will be printed with after swap also. So I'm gonna say here after swap, right? Okay, now here in the between I will be writing the code here. And the thing is, if you don't want to use an extra variable in this case, so what you can do is you can use arithmetic operators in order to swap the two numbers here. How? Let us see. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take a, I'm going to say equals to, I'm going to add a plus b. Basically, I'm going to do a plus b. So what happens is a plus b is 10 and 20, right? So that means 30. Now, once 30 is there, 30 gets stored back into A, right? Then I'm going to say B. I'm going to say equals to, I'm going to say A minus B, right? So this time I'm going to do A minus B. So B is 20. Now we don't care about this B. A is 30. 30 minus 20. How much? 10. So 10 gets stored into the B. And now A was 30 in this case, right? So now we need to change this 30 into 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say again A equals to, I'm going to say A minus B. So you see here one thing that in this case, what I am doing is that I'm saying A is 30, A is basically 10 right now, and B is basically 20 right now, right? So what I did is I said first you both get added. So 10 and 20 got added. And once 10 and 20 got added, it saved the result in back to A. So now A became 30. Now once A became 30, in the next line, what I did is I took B and I said inside B, do A minus B, which is 30 minus B value is 20. So 30 minus 20, which is equals to 10. So 10 got stored back to B. So this 10, which was here, came into this B. Now, A, we need to change, right? Right now, A is 30. So I'll say 30 minus B in this case. B was 10 now. So 30 minus 10, A became 20. And this is how the swapping happened. So in this case, first, when I run this program, you can see here, when I am running this program, you see that before swapping it was 10 and 20, and after swapping it became 20 and 10. So here I have to print A equals, and this will be A equals. Now the result will come much better. So you can see A equals to 10, B equals to 20. So this is for the this is for the before swap, and now after swap, this is printed. I hope so that it is very much clear. So guys, this is how you can swap two numbers without using the third variable in this case. If you have understood this well, and if you have any doubts into this, ask us in the comment section below. I'll try to clear it out as soon as possible. If you have liked the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Codus Arcade, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates. Well, this is Ashank David. In the next video, we are going to talk about how you can do the same thing with the help of pointers. And that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.